model, 2010 Ford Transit 2.4 Tdci 115 T350l Trend rear-wheel drive, silver RNGINE running issues no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 130225. MOT, the 30th of April 2025. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Definitely worth repairing as it is an excellent condition, a very good example, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise Contron, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07